Okay, guys, this is Big Rod 817 coming to y'all live from the West Side. Look at this, man. Check out the Jets, man, out here, man. By Carswell, and the Jets are flying today. You know, they're out and about. You know what I'm saying? They're out and about. But instead of the Jets dropping bombs, ladies and gentlemen, the Jets ain't dropping bombs. Nah. It's not the Jets dropping bombs around here. It's these motherfuckers dropping bombs around here. Yeah. Them dropping bombs around here. Ain't that right, Juki? Juke. Come here, Juke. Come here. Come here, Juki. Bring your ass here. Okay. Bring your ass here. Come here. You took a piss? No. Did you pee? This is how you know a dog's guilty. Look, he's running.
Are you recording?
He's pissed. Get your buttocks over here. He gone. Okay, guys, check this out. And check this out, ladies and gentlemen. So, what's the chances of you getting shit on by a bird? Okay, the chances of you getting shit on by a bird is like a 99.2%, right? Okay, that other 0.8, yeah. I just got shit on my back, okay? I got shit on, right? I wiped it off. And I wiped the shit off my back. And I proceeded to throw acorns or whatever the fuck that comes out of these trees at the motherfucking birds. Excuse my French. But then there was this one, I was just telling my friend that the bird was gonna try to shit on me on purpose, right? You see how they sit right there in that tree? You see? You see them? Okay. And what happened was, well, anyways, man. So the birds, like, he came towards the edge of the branch here, right? Look at this guy here. Look at this guy, man. Yeah, what you looking at, bro? What you looking at, bro? Look at this guy here. You gotta watch these motherfuckers, man. You gotta watch these motherfuckers. They will shit on you on purpose, okay? So, I'm sitting here talking to her, and, you know, at the edge of the spread she is, okay? And what happened was, I'm telling you about me just getting shit on. I got shit on, you know what I'm saying, on my back. She helped me get it off, right? Watch me. That big noise right there, that's like, that Hiroshima's coming. He hit me with the Hiroshima, but I saw him. I threw something at him, boom, Hiroshima came, whoop, check it out, whoop, and I stuck my finger through that just to show it was fresh, whoop, Hiroshima came. Just right after I got shit on the first time, and she was like, what's the chances of you getting shit on twice? Chances of me getting shit on twice, better go get a lottery ticket, because it's your lucky day, man. It's your lucky fucking day. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, that's what's going on. That's the type of day I had already. It's been a bad day, fucked up day. I woke up late. I'm just not waking up. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta get this day started. Gotta get this day started right. You know what I'm talking about? And we gotta get some shit done. Gotta get some shit done, man. Gotta get some shit done. You know what I'm saying? We got the Act Right family. You know what I'm talking about? Act Right family. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? It's the Act Right family. The Act Right. The Act Rights. If you ain't acting right, you can't roll. If you is not acting right, you can't roll. That's just how that goes. But you know, yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Yeah, man. So that's how I go. I'm gonna see if I can go right here in the park back up. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, let me see something. Act up one time. One time. Act up for your boy. You know what I'm saying? I like that vet, man. Ooh. This guy right here is trying to get me, bro. You know? Yeah. Car wash. Man, it's hawking today, man. Hawking. But no, something bad. First, man. See, you gonna act up one time. Act up one time. Ooh, that boy nice too, man. Ooh, man. Ooh, that boy nice. What are you doing out of the car? Get back in the car. In the car. Get in the car. Hey, where you going? In the car. In the car. Get in the car. You, come here, fat one. Say, bro. Get in the car. Get your fat butt in the car. And he went under the car. You better not get out of there. Stay in there, Gracie. Get from under there. Come here. Come here, fat boy. Come here. Come here. Come on, fat boy. Come on, fat boy. Come on, fat boy. Fat boy. You fat boy. Give me, boy. Give me, fat boy. Come on, fat boy. Come on, fat boy. Come on, let's go. Let's go, fat boy. Come on. Let's go, fat boy. Come on, fat boy, let's go. Gracie ain't stupid. She know better. Just got here. Come on, fat boy, let's go. Fat boy. Let's go, fat boy. Fat boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Fat boy. Get your... What are you doing? Come here. Get back in the car. Get in the car. Fat boy. Fat boy. Fat boy. I ain't gonna go back in front of the fucking car. Fat boy. Fat boy. Hey, boy. Yeah, Woody, Woody. Fat Woody. Fat Woody. Yeah, you in trouble. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Hurry up. This guy. He's scared. He's scared. You know he did something wrong. I done confronted him about peeing on the floor. Look, he gone. That nigga hurry up and disappeared.
Yeah, you must have been. As soon as he saw you coming this way,
Yep.
because he just jumped back here just right now.
Chicago guilty conscience. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right now, though. Hey, it's your boy, Big Rod 817. And I'm gonna get back to you guys a little bit later on. Let's see what we got going on today. I'm gonna holler at y'all. Peace.